So we had a rain day today, and it's been raining for like 15, 16 hours now. Actually, no, it's been almost 24 hours. So the forest is going to be completely drenched. I'm not even sure if we're going to go out tomorrow. We'll see what the leaf drip's like. But if we do go out tomorrow, we're all going to be miserable, completely miserable. So I started a bag of clean clothes, clean and dry clothes that I can bring with me, and I think I'm going to heat up a bunch of water in the morning and fill up a thermos for everyone, just because I'm slightly worried that everybody's going to be freezing and cold and wet, and that's not good. The brook is going to be incredibly high, so we figured out a way so none of us have to cross it, but I'm really hoping that it's not a problem in the tributaries and stuff for the brook. I think it'll be fine, but we'll see. But it's gonna be an adventure tomorrow, so I'll keep you updated. It is 4:09 a.m. and I am out in the forest. We had a lot of rain last night. Well, a lot of rain yesterday. It rained for almost 24 hours. So I don't know if you can hear in the background, but the stream is really, really high. It's making a lot of noise. So it's actually high enough that we can't cross it today. So we were able to drive to the bridge, or one of the bridges along the road, and cross there. The forest is completely soaked, so we're all gonna be pretty soggy and uncomfortable by the end of the day. This is absolutely insane. This may not even have water in it most of the year, and now it is a river in itself. So I have to cross this. This is not part of the main brook, so I didn't really expect this, but we'll see how it goes. There's some rocks I can cross on pretty safely. So, in general, if the water is this high and you can't cross, just don't cross. But it should be fine here. There are a lot of really frustrating things about this job, or frustrating things in the moment, but there are very few things that I feel frustrated with in the long run, but one of them is the fact that it's really hard to share what this is actually like, because I mean, there's obviously horrible things about the job, like the bugs and the sweat and, you know, what have you, but there are also really incredible things like the sunrise, and you know, the scenery. This is incredible, but you know, it's really hard to get a sense of what it's like through a video. So I've been doing my best, but I wish I could show you more how amazing it is sometimes to be out here.